How shall I show this lazy noodles? Vegetable oil, onion, shallot, pepper, bell pepper, and I added my chicken burger. I added some courgettes. I added the seasoning of the noodles. I covered, and I came back to add my carrots. I give it a quick stir. All my returnees, thank you for always returning to like, share, comment. If you are new, please subscribe and follow for amazing videos. So I covered and steam it for a while. Now I added the noodles and I added in some water. I'll cover it to cook. So here it is cooked. I'll give it a quick stir. Thank you for always returning. God bless you all. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye. Enjoy the rest of this video.